Activities for Thursday, the 23rd. Reading and listening from the book This is reading 1. Reading 2. Listening. Right, and apart from this, you also have to do speaking, which you have to upload in the assignment in a model called Speaking Revision 2, Unit 2. In this case, you have to talk about a film. Try to answer these questions or similar questions. Don't answer the questions one by one. Make it into a paragraph, speaking a little bit. And this is all you have to do. And apart from that, you have to do the interactive book Unit 2. So this is the task for Thursday.